Open browser on your mobile phone and search for Jeevan Pramaan in Google. Open the first link jeevanpramaan.gov.in as shown. Click on menu icon shown on the right side of page and click on download. Scroll the page up and enter your email address and captcha as shown to get OTP on your email. Click on I agree to download button. Now open your email and check inbox for email from Jeevan Pramaan. Wait for some time if email is not received. Enter OTP sent by Jeevan Pramaan in the input box as shown. Click on Submit button. Now click on Mobile App Download button to get installation file link from Jeevan Pramaan on email. Now open your email again and check your inbox for an email from Jeevan Pramaan. Open this email. Click on Jeevan Pramaan installer link as shown to download installation file of Jeevan Pramaan software for your Android mobile phone. Click on Install button to install Jeevan Pramaan software on your mobile phone. Click on Open button to open Jeevan Pramaan application installed on your mobile phone. Make sure your fingerprint device is connected to your mobile via OTG cable and is tested on ACPL FM 220RD app. Enable OTG connection, if required as shown earlier. Click on Yes button. Now enter your Aadhaar number, mobile number and email address for operator registration. Click on Submit button to get OTP on mobile number and email address. Enter the OTP received from Aadhaar and click on Submit button. Click on Allow button if prompted for permission grant. Now enter your name as in Aadhaar card and check the checkbox for confirmation. Click on Scan button to initiate fingerprint scanning. Click on Yes when prompted for confirmation. Now place your finger on fingerprint scanner device when red light glows on device. On successful authentication, your client and operator registration is completed and you will get a message on screen as shown. Your application is ready for pensioner authentication. Follow same steps for pensioner authentication and digital life certificate.